A house built in just one day. It all starts with the material. These blocks are made from natural perlite, a lightweight, eco-friendly material. And here's the game changer. No glue and no mortar are needed during construction. That means less waste, less water, and a cleaner building process. But the real innovation is precision. Every block is manufactured with millimeter accuracy. Thanks to a specially engineered interlocking profile based on the Morse taper principle, each block locks perfectly into the next. Just place one, click, click, and the wall comes together before your eyes. No mortar joints, no waiting for concrete or cement to cure, no complicated masonry. That's why even people with little or no construction experience can assemble the walls. The precision of the system minimizes mistakes, speeds up training, and dramatically accelerates the entire building process. The result? The walls of a 120 square meter home can be assembled in just one day. Less time, less material, less waste. System 3E is redefining construction, making it faster, more precise, and more sustainable.